Hey guys, Tashdila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you broccoli egg salad. Very simple and easy to prepare. So let's get started. So before start the video, I will request you, if you are visit my channel first time, don't forget to hit the red button, it's written subscribe. Also hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you'll get always notification when I upload a new recipe. So first I'm gonna boil the water. Add the water and just let them boil. Once it start the boil water, now I'm gonna add just 2 pinches of salt, and finally I'm gonna add the broccoli. Broccoli here I already cut into bite pieces. Now boil the broccoli for 30 seconds in medium flame. Now broccoli is done. Now remove the hot water and just wash in running water for 2 to 3 times, or you can just leave it in cold water also. Once all done, make sure remove all the extra water. Now I'm gonna make the omelette. For omelette here I take 2 eggs. You can add according to your need. Add pinch of salt. And 1 teaspoon I'm gonna add the plain flour. It will make your egg a little thick. By the way, these two are option. Also I'm gonna add just little bit pinch of turmeric powder. By the way, if you wanna add the color, so I will recommend you should go with food color. So here I don't have food color, so I just add just a little bit turmeric powder. Yes, I want little more yellow color my egg. So this is not necessary. You can definitely skip it if you want. Now mix the all ingredient very nicely. Once you heat the oil, now simply you have to make the omelette. But make sure your omelette will not burn. Now make into bite pieces. Now my all ingredient is done. Now let's make the sauce. Sauce ingredient here I take some dry chili, garlic, and some black sesame seed for color, and 2 pinch of black pepper. I use 2 drops of sesame oil. So if you don't have sesame oil, you can go with olive oil also. Next, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon vinegar. By the way, I will recommend you, if you have lemon juice, you can go with that. And 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Now once I add the all ingredient, you have to mix properly. We don't need to add salt because in fish sauce is very salty. Now add the broccoli and just simply mix. Now finally I'm gonna add the egg. Once I add the omelette, then mix it very nicely, and after that it's ready to enjoy. Alright guys, so this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy the recipe. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and about the more recipe, please share it with your friends and family. Even they also enjoy this homemade simple and easy recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to leave comment below how it is.